If I had to make Rees 10,000 per month using AI, this is the exact plan I'd follow. Pick one simple service like thumbnails, Instagram posts, or content writing. Don't overlearn, spend 1 to 2 hours and start immediately. Use ChatGPT for ideas and Canva to create designs. Start by charging $200 to $230 to get clients fast. Message 10 people daily on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Fiverr. Once you get clients, increase your price to $500 plus. 2 tasks daily. Some Rs 400, Rs 600, Rs 10,000 per month. Focus on action, not just learning. Follow Growth Circuit for more.